Canva, Adobe Express, or Figma? Which one should you actually be using in 2026? Here's my quick verdict. There is no single winner. Each of these tools is the best for a completely different type of person. And if you're using the wrong one, you're either overpaying, underperforming, or both. In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly which tool is right for you based on what you actually do, not just what sounds impressive in a marketing video. Let's get into it. Welcome to ToolStack AI, honest reviews of the tools that actually matter for your business. Here's the problem. The design tool market has gotten confusing. Canva used to be the easy tool for non-designers. Adobe was for professionals. Figma was for product teams. But in 2026, all three have added AI features, expanded their use cases, and started competing for the same users. So now you've got Canva trying to be a professional design suite, Adobe Express trying to be as easy as Canva, and Figma adding AI features to stay relevant. And you're stuck trying to figure out which one is actually worth your money. That's exactly what this video is for. Let me give you a quick overview of each tool before we go deep. Canva started as a drag-and-drop graphic design tool for non-designers. In 2026, it's evolved into a full creative suite with AI-powered features called Magic Studio, including text-to-image generation, AI writing, background removal, and more. Adobe Express is Adobe's answer to Canva. It's designed to be fast and accessible while leveraging the power of the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, including Adobe Stock, Adobe Fonts, and Firefly, Adobe's AI image generation engine. Figma is the industry standard for UI/UX design and product development. It's a professional tool used by designers, product managers, and developers at companies like Google, Airbnb, and Spotify. Three very different tools. Let's compare them head to head. AI features. This is where the biggest differences show up. Canva's Magic Studio is the most comprehensive AI suite of the three for content creation. You get Dreamlab for text-to-image generation, Magic Design for AI-generated layouts from a prompt, Magic Write as an AI writing assistant, and Background Remover and Magic Eraser. The free tier gives you 200 standard AI uses and 20 premium uses per month. Adobe Express uses Adobe Firefly for its AI features. You get generative fill to add or remove objects from images, text-to-image generation, and text effects. The key advantage of Firefly: it's trained on licensed Adobe stock content, which means it's commercially safe to use, a big deal for businesses worried about copyright. The free tier gives you 25 generative credits per month. Figma's AI features are a different category entirely. Figma's AI is focused on Dev Mode AI for automatically generating code from design files, auto layout suggestions, and plugin-based AI tools from the community. Figma is not trying to compete with Canva or Adobe on generative content creation. Its AI is about making the design-to-development workflow faster. Templates and assets comparison focus. Canva has the largest template library of any design tool, over 1.6 million templates covering social media posts, presentations, videos, print materials, websites, and more. Adobe Express has over 100,000 templates on the free tier, and on paid plans you get access to over 200 million Adobe stock assets and 30,000 plus Adobe fonts. The quality of assets is exceptional. This is Adobe's biggest advantage. Figma has a community-driven template library focused on UI kits, design systems, and digital product templates. It's not for social media graphics. It's for building apps and websites. Collaboration. Canva offers real-time co-editing, commenting, and approval workflows on its business plan. Adobe Express offers real-time co-editing and brand sharing on its Teams plan, with integration into Creative Cloud libraries. Figma is the undisputed winner here. Real-time multiplayer editing is the core of what Figma does. You can have unlimited free viewers, stakeholders, clients, developers, all looking at the same file simultaneously. The collaboration experience in Figma is best in class, and it's been that way since day one. Export options. Canva exports to JPG, PNG, and MP4. Transparent backgrounds and CMYK color profiles require the Pro plan. Adobe Express exports to PNG, JP, PD, and MP4. Figma exports to PNG, JPG, PD, and MP4. Figma exports to PNG, JPG, and MP4. The real advantage is Dev Mode, which exports CSS, JSON, and React code directly from design files, making developer handoff incredibly efficient. Now let's talk money. Canva Free gives you 1.6 million plus templates, 5 gigabytes of storage, and limited AI credits. Canva Pro is about $18 per month, 100 gigabytes of storage, 141 million plus premium assets, 10 times the AI credits, and brand kits. Canva Business is about $25 per user per month, with approval workflows and 500 gigabytes of storage. Adobe Express Free gives you 100,000 plus templates, 1 million plus stock assets, 5 gigabytes of storage, and 25 AI credits per month. Adobe Premium is about $9.99 per month, 200 million plus stock assets, 250 AI credits, background removal. Adobe Teams is about $5 to $10 per user per month, with 1 terabyte of cooled storage per user. Figma Starter is free, 3 Figma files and 3 Fig Jamboards per team. Unlimited personal files, unlimited free viewers. Figma Professional is about $16 per month per seat. Unlimited files, team libraries, advanced dev node. Figma Organization is about $55 per user per month for enterprise-scale design organizations. Pros and cons. Canva, easiest to use, largest template library, comprehensive AI content creation suite. But it's not a professional design tool. Can get expensive for large teams, and CMYK and transparent backgrounds require a paid plan. Adobe Express, deep Adobe ecosystem integration, commercially safe AI, high-quality Adobe stock and fonts access. But the interface isn't as fast as Canva for pure social media graphics. The credit-based AI system can be limiting, and it feels like a light version of multiple Adobe tools. Figma, best-in-class collaboration and real-time multiplayer, industry standard for UI/UX, excellent developer handoff with dev mode. But it has a high learning curve for non-designers. It's not a content creation tool, and it has limited generative AI for content creation. Here's how each tool scores on the ToolStack scale. Canva, ease of use 9.5, AI features 8.5, value for money 8, collaboration 7. ToolStack score 8.5 out of 10. Adobe Express, ease of use 8, AI features 8, value for money 9, collaboration 7.5. ToolStack score 8 out of 10. Figma, ease of use 6, AI features 7, value for money 8.5, collaboration 10. ToolStack score 8 out of 10. If none of these three feel right, here are some alternatives worth considering. Penpot, free, open-source design tool, great Figma alternative for teams that want full control. Visma, strong for data visualization and presentations. Sketch, Mac-only professional design tool, still popular in some design teams. Framer, AI-powered website builder with design capabilities, great for interactive prototypes. So, which tool should you use? Use Canva if you're a marketer, social media manager, small business owner, or anyone who needs to create professional-looking content quickly without a design background. And use Adobe Express if you're already in the Adobe ecosystem, or if you need commercially safe AI-generated content and access to premium stock assets. The $9.99 per month plan is exceptional value. Use Figma if you're a UI/UX designer, product manager, or developer. It's the industry standard for a reason, and the free tier is surprisingly generous for individual projects. All three tools are linked in the description below. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit subscribe. We do this kind of honest, side-by-side analysis every week on ToolStack AI. And drop a comment. Which tool are you using, and why? I read every single one. See you in the next video.